star vision. In the previous class, we looked at alternative forms of for and were and alternative forms of fell and were. Now, in this chapter, circle or loop preceding initial hooks. How to write circle or loop ST/STR for the hooked strokes, for the R and L hooked strokes. The circle S, SW and ST loop are prefixed to the straight strokes hooked for R with right motion we have to write. For example, pry. Per above the line, I diphthong. This is pry. T with the R hook. This is pry. Here how we have to write? One circle with P with the I diphthong. This is pry. This circle plus R hook then P. This includes both the circle S and R. This is pry. Again tray. Turn on the line. Then this is stray. Yes. With the right motion you have to write. This is stray. Suppose if you write with the left motion, then it becomes stay. If you write the circle with the right motion, then it includes R hook also. Please remember this. Circle S, R hook with T. This is stray. In the same way, eater, turn through the line. This is then sweeter. Sweeter is SW circle with T. Sweet. Sorry, sweeter this is. If you write with the left motion, then it becomes sweet. Okay, SW is the large circle. If you write with the large circle with T, this becomes sweet. If you write like this becomes stay through the line. This is the SW large circle plus T with the right motion I wrote. Here E vowel. This large circle of SW also includes the R hook of T. See, this is sweeter. Then stroke. Okay, stroke. Like this. ST loop plus R hook, then K. Stroke. This is the R hook plus ST loop. ST loop I attach to the hook. So it is stroke. Next we will see the circle S is prefixed to all initially hooked strokes by writing the curve inside the hook. Here this SW circle also includes the R hook, but here we will show it separately, the R hook as well as the circle S. I will show you how we have to write. This is offer. A vowel with fur. This is suffer. See, first you have to write one circle, then like this you have to write. See, clearly it shows the circle S plus R hook. Then sinner. Circle S plus R hook to N. Sinner. Then prisoner. Per circle S, then R hook. See, here per circle is ner. Then civil. Circle is civil. Like this we have to write for the strokes. Circle S. When the circle S and R both will come in the words, you have to write it clearly, both circle S and for these curves. But here you have to write with the right motion. For the curves we cannot write only with the right motion. We can write with the left motion also. So we cannot make out the difference. That's why like this you have to write. You have to clearly show that the circle S plus R hook here. Here it is, I wrote here pry, then spry. Circle S P. If you write with the left motion, this becomes spy. Okay. Now it is clear. If you write with the right motion, this is try. Tray. Tray with the right motion, T with R. Stray. This is circle S, T plus R, stray. If you write with the left motion, this becomes stay. Then eater. Turn through the line with E vowel. Sweeter. Large circle of S plus T with the R hook. This is with the right motion. Sweeter. If you write with the left motion, this will become sweet. Then stroker. Sorry, stroke. Like this you have to write. Stroke. Then for sweeper, with the right motion, if you write like this, this will become sweeper. I'll repeat the explanation again. The circle S, SW circle and ST loop are prefixed to the straight strokes who prefer R. We have to write with the right motion. Example, pry, spry, tray, stray, eater, sweeter. Here the circle S, SW and ST loop we have to write with the right motion. Here the circle S is prefixed to all initially hooked strokes by writing the curve inside the hook. Offer, suffer. Here circle S, fur clearly shown. Sinner, prisoner, civil. This is circle S, vowel, E vowel. Now we will see some more rules when to write the L and R strokes instead of hooks. When L hook cannot be clearly shown in the middle of the word, at that time write L stroke. For example, forcible, F R S, yes, like this. When L hook cannot be clearly shown in the middle of the word, write L stroke. Here forcible, here fur I cannot write, bull I cannot write. So I wrote a full form of R and L. F R circle S B L, forcible. Musical, M S K L, musical. Here I cannot write cull because the circle is there. Inside the cull, the circle cannot be written. Hence, the whole word of L has been written. Musical, U diphthong this is, S circle S, K L. Then when SKR or SGR follows TRD, the circle S written with left motion. When SKR, that is circle S with curve, or circle S with gur follows TRD, the circle S written with left motion. Example, packer, T plus cur, C, A vowel, first place vowel. Then tasker, like this you have to write. This is T circle S plus cur. Then disgrace, like this. D circle S, gur, one more circle S. Disagree, this is disagree. Hope it is clear now. When SKR circle S plus cur or circle S plus gur follows T or D, the circle S written with left motion. Tacker, T plus cur, A vowel above the line. Tasker, T circle S cur. Here circle S and R hook is also included for this K. Then disgrace, D through the line, circle S, G circle S. Here this circle plus R hook is included for this G. Disgrace. Here D through the line, circle S plus disgrace. Okay. Same word I wrote here. Disagree it is. Disagree. This is disagree. D circle S, gur, E vowel. Hope it is clear now. Now we will see the grammar of this chapter from F with R hook on the line, very, V with R hook on the line. This is in dark. There are there. T-H-E-I-R, there or T-H-E-R-E, there. It with R hook. You have to write like this. More or remark or remark. Mark above the line. Then near or Mr. Mark on the line. Then nor above the line, nor. Then near on the line. Then surprise, circle S, P, again circle S. This is surprise. Even surprised also can be used surprised like this. This is surprised. Here instead of circle you have to use the SD loop. Then sure, sure through the line. Here pleasure, jar on the line. Then one phrase will come here in this chapter. They are, you have to, there, you have to write above the line for they are. This is a phrase, not a grammar. From is grammar. From F with R hook on the line, very, V with R hook on the line. Then there are there, it with R hook, more or remark, remarked, M with R hook above the line. Near or Mr. M with R hook on the line, nor N with R hook above the line. Near, N with R hook on the line. Surprise, surprised. Circle S, P, circle S. Here circle S, P, ST loop. Then sure, sure through the line. Pleasure, jar on the line. This is the phrase they are. With this, I'll end my today's class. I'll see you in the next class. Happy learning. Keep practicing. Bye-bye.